Today, back glass replacement on an iPhone XR. Should be a nice, quick, simple job, even though it never is. First thing we do is I'm going to tape off the camera lens. Last thing we need is the laser burning that. Laser machine, place it in. Use the little blue ball. Just so we know there's a nice little gap there. Put on the laser machine. Unlock. Carving. iPhone. Back cover. Multicolour. iPhone XR. And go. Cool, I've got the back glass lasered. Now I'm going to have to pick it off. So it's a fun part.
The wavy lines in the camera are annoying. I can't do nothing about it. The main camera's memory's full. Drop the new back glass. Let's clamp it down. There we go. All done. Looking nice and pretty. Let's go to the next episode.